All right, let's talk about what's going on across the nation. That storm system that hammered the southeast earlier in the week and the northeast yesterday with snow, wind, a lot of power outages from Philadelphia down to Baltimore, Washington, now moving up into northeast Canada. So getting a little bit of a break in the northeast. A little batch of rain and snow showers here from eastern Iowa down through southern Illinois towards the boot heel of Missouri. Then we're looking to the west. Now we have a ridge of high pressure over the desert southwest, keeping us dry, but notice the clouds coming in across northern California. The moisture here through Oregon into Idaho, that's our next front that's going to slowly work its way towards us through the northern Rockies. We are seeing a couple of clouds like we have the last couple of days streaming in from the west. At the surface, we do have a cool front that's just lurking off toward north and east that's going to try to hug the Kansas border. We think today most of that cold air stays out to the east. We'll have this bubble of warm air moving in again tomorrow with the big H on the map. That's high pressure. But notice the snow showers off to the west. That's our front. And we'll get a squeeze play. This will get a push as we head into the weekend from the east, and that front will come in from the west. And temperatures are going to slowly fall through the weekend, and moisture may be trying to work its way in here by Monday morning. 40s and 50s across southern Colorado today, 57 in Trinidad, 47 in Alamosa. We'll be close to 50 in Black Forest today, and low 50s out across the eastern plains. But again, we will see these high clouds, cirrus clouds we call them, streaming in. Temperatures are going to be a little cooler than it was yesterday, but still mild for this time of the year. 52 in the Springs, 55 in Pueblo. Typically, we're in the 40s for early December. We'll see 50s, maybe some 60s on Friday. Here comes the rest of the weekend as that front backdoors its way in on Saturday, taking us in the mid-40s here in the Springs. And we'll go from the 60s in Pueblo tomorrow to the upper 40s by Sunday. But the bigger cool down, the bigger changes coming on Monday. We'll talk about that in a minute. That's how the skies look this morning. How do the roads look? Let's get a check of traffic, and we're looking good on the east side of town of Platte and Powers. A bunch of accidents, new ones on the north side of town, Bragg Boulevard, westbound at Union, an accident downtown at Colorado and Pikes Peak. Still have that accident on the south side of town at Tejon and Arvada Street, blocking the right lane. Downtown Pruners Parkway at International Circle. Two accidents at Airport and Powers on the southeast side of town, and still have that rollover on the on-ramp to the MLK bypass from southbound I-25. Next weather and traffic together on the 2s, 822.